What is up, viewers of the Chico Army and anyone tuning in for the very first time? First, let me introduce myself in the show. I'm Tyler of Chico Crypto, and if you don't have a brewski, go run and get one, cause it's time for crypto, and of course, a cold one. Today's featured brewski is a gross as fuck cold one. I messed up already on this video and had to try it. It's red velvet, golden oatmeal stout with beets, chocolate, and natural flavors added. Oh, baby. Ooh. If you like today's content, don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Like, comment, and if you want to be updated on the spot about things going down with myself, Chico Crypto, follow me on Twitter, @ChicoCrypto, and join the chat on Telegram, t.me/ChicoCrypto1. So, Bitcoin got up above $4,000 a couple days ago, and the crypto community was feeling a bullish euphoria that they had been craving since the downtrend from 6K USD that began at the beginning of this quarter. No doubt this makes me ecstatic, and my portfolio was loving the green. Although, similar pumps have taken place before in this bear market, and it's way too early to signal a full market reversal to bullish. For example, if we look at Bitcoin's price chart from April of this year to today, in early April, Bitcoin touched the high 6K range for the first time since coming down from its all-time high. Within the span of a month, a reversal happened, and Bitcoin reached above 9,800 USD. What did the retail traders have to say during this time? Well, a good place to check is the daily discussion of our cryptocurrency, a retail trader hangout spot. So let's go back in time to that day in early May and let's read some of the comments. The biggest run of all time has started. The holders will reap the fruits of their hold. May in 2018 might be the last month in the foreseeable future when you will be able to buy BTC under 10K. History in the making. I have a good tingly feeling deep in my balls about this weekend. Well, what happened? It tested that level, but then came crashing back down over the span of nearly 2 months. And then Bitcoin reached a high 5K level for the first time since coming down. And this happened in late June. Then another reversal happened, and over the span of about a month, Bitcoin pumped up to a high of just above $8,200 USD. So I wonder what the comments were like on the daily discussion of our cryptocurrency. If you guessed a similar diluted bullish sentiment, you are correct. Bullish. So bullish. Record-setting trading today. Very bullish. One guy even went to make fun of people who tethered up in the 6K range a month earlier. Well, if those guys stayed tethered, they were the ones laughing because most of us experienced what happened after. A quick fiery crash back down into the 6K level. Another fake-out recovery in mid-September, reaching above 7,200 USD. Once again, retail investors got high on hopium, and this was followed by a quick drop back into the 6K range. Then a sideways boring market in that 6K range, which many people also thought was the bottom, because at lower levels it wasn't profitable for miners. Bullshit. In mid-November, the big shock comes and Bitcoin drops and drops and drops some more. Weekhan said fuck this and stepped out. Some YouTubers left. Some moon boys cried. But now hopium has showed her pretty face once again as Bitcoin pushed over the 4K level 2 days ago. And as of shooting this video yesterday, it was just back under 4K. Well, if we check out the comments from the daily discussion from 2 days back in the heat of the couple day pump, people again being overly bullish. BTC went from 3,000 to 4,100. We'll be at 20K in no time. $9 billion in trade volume in BTC alone. We bullish now. This volume is getting me so hard. One thing I have noticed from reading the comments on our cryptocurrency is crypto gets people off in really fucking weird ways. So let's do a little TA here, Tyler analysis, and construct a few options of what could happen in the coming days and months. For the optimists, this was just a slight pullback, and the bulls needed some time to breathe, and this is healthy and natural after pumping for a couple days. What's interesting is the closer you zoom into the overall chart, the picture becomes even more bullish. Looking at the 7-day chart, it almost looks like planned steps to heaven, and if things are going to play out like the past couple of days, we should see a turnaround when this video plays. I shot this yesterday, so I hope this is the case. Although, looking at the chart through a realist lens, this could be the great whale Christmas heist of 2018. One last chance to squeeze out some profits before the bears take over once again through the month of January. I mean, think about it, you guys. Last year, everyone was talking about Bitcoin. They got some of their families into it and their friends. So, if this is the case, and we see some nice pumping action before Christmas, I for one am going to keep my mouth shut at the Christmas dinner table. If they ask and are genuinely interested, I'm going to tell them exactly what I'm saying in this video. The 6K range in which Bitcoin sat in for months before the last big drop. That price level has been burned into many investors and traders' eyes. It's a largely psychological resistance level, but many traders need that number to break even with their plays. So even if Bitcoin rallies all the way up into the 6K range before Christmas or even after, and then it gets rejected, that would be an extremely bearish indicator. And if it couldn't hold, it just might lead to the fall below $3,000 USD. So now to a super optimistic opinion. That was the bottom, and the falls yesterday were just a natural pullback. The stock market is about to blow its lid off, with the Feds raising interest rates, and investors are putting their money someplace else, something that has been oversold. We will see a flurry of new money coming in from the stock market as the markets enter into their own downward spiral, fueled by corporate buybacks and the artificial pumping of stocks across the board. My honest thoughts on this, I pray and I hope this is the case, but just like most, I have no idea what is going to happen. All I know is I'm in it for the long haul, and in the short term, markets could go down, markets could go up, or markets could go sideways. How's that for TA? Cheers, viewers, and I will see you next time. And if it's not before Christmas that next time, Merry Christmas and Happy New Year's.